Okay, good evening or good afternoon. Tonight's homework is 1-2. We are working on writing numbers, or working on numbers, up to the millions place. So we've already done to the thousands, now we're going to the millions place. We are doing this by looking at the numbers in standard form, in word form, and in expanded form. Expanded form is the way that problem 1 is written out already. 300 million plus 70 million plus 2 million plus 500,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 5 is what we call expanded form. So for the first one, you're going to write the problem out in standard and word form. So the way that we do this, when you're writing a problem in standard form, one of the easiest ways to learn how to do this is to first start by putting your ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, that's the first period. That's the ones period. Put a comma. Now we're in the thousands period. So we'll do the ones, tens, and hundreds place in the thousands period. So this is the ones, this is the thousands. Put a comma. Now we'll do the millions period. Ones, tens, hundreds. Remember, each period has a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place. But they are all within that period. So here we are. We've got 300 million, so that 3 is going to go in the hundreds place in the millions period. Okay. This is 70 million, so that 7 is going to go in the tens place in the millions period, because if you look here, ones, thousands, millions, it's in the millions period. Okay. Then we have 2 million, so that 2 is going to go in the ones place within the millions period. Okay, so we're done with the millions. Now we're into the thousands. This is 500, but it's in the thousands period. So we're going to put it over here in the hundreds place. Okay, 10,000, that's going to go right here. Okay, and then 2,000. So again, that's still in the thousands period. We put it here, 2. And now we just have 800 and 5. This is the easy part. The 800, we'll put the 8 here in the hundreds place. And the 5 goes in the ones place. Remember, we do have to put this placeholder here, otherwise we get the wrong answer. So 372,512,805. That's standard form. In word form, that's where you have to do some writing. So you're going to write 372 million, I'm a lot of space, so I'll write it down here, million, comma, then you're going to continue, 512,000, I saved you the hassle of having to watch me write that out, but 372,512,805. That is word form. Okay, so for number 2, you're going to have to write this in word form, just like I did up here. Okay, and then tell the value of the underlying digit for each number. So you're going to write this whole thing out in word form like we just did, and at the very end, you're going to tell the value of this digit. This 6 is in the thousands period and in the hundreds place. So this right here, you would write 600,000. That's the value of that digit. So after you write it in word form, write the value of that digit. Do the same thing with this problem. And for number 4, it says write the number that is 100 million more than this number. I'm not going to give you the answer to that one. You've got to figure it out on your own. Okay, number 5, the population of a state was estimated to be this number. Write that in word form. Okay, and then the last one, you can do this one on your own. It's expanded form. Okay, I'd like you to also do the reteach side on the other side. I think you can handle it. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.